the video, guys. In this one we will prepare a grain that maybe you're not familiar with. I think by now everyone knows how to make porridge or how to make muesli or smoothie bowls with oats on top. So in this one I figured I might create a recipe with amaranth. If you don't know what amaranth is, it's I think pseudo grain, that's the name. It's quite similar to quinoa, also very high in protein, very high in minerals like zinc and magnesium. So actually quite a dense source of minerals, calories and protein, especially important for athletes. So if you are looking for something to enjoy after your workout session and you're tired of oatmeal, oats, pancakes of oats, maybe try something like amaranth or quinoa. To make it a little bit more tasty, we will blend one banana with about a cup of soy milk in a blender, together with, because we have it here, it's not necessary, just some homemade apple sauce. Well, I think this is apple and plum sauce. None of that, if that is a word. And some cinnamon to make it extra tasty. This is the liquid part, which the amaranth will be boiling in. And then, as per usual, you can decide whatever toppings you want to have. I today will go for raspberries, blueberries, an apple, flax seeds to cover your, not all of your, but decent amount of your daily omega-3 intake, and a mix of sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, both of them very high in protein, in zinc and vitamin E. So let's just blend everything together and boil the amaranth. Actually, first run of our new Vitamix, so new second-hand Vitamix, because the old blender kind of broke. So we decided to invest some money in a new blender, and we will see if it actually works, because we never tried.
But first you have to put it in the power socket.
You're so smart.
I'm not sure.
Huh?
I'm not sure.
Oh, that's the pulse, I think. So this one has to boil. Maybe if it's too thick, you can add a little bit of water. You could also, for some extra sweetness, put some dates in the blender as well, or raisins would work as well, or whatever sweetener you like. Unfortunately, we ran out of dates, which is quite sad. But yeah, that's it. For 1 to 2 portions, or for one big portion, I would go for around 150 grams of amaranth. That's a quite decent amount. But of course you can use whatever measurements you like. And this is actually perfect for preparing. You could do a big batch and have breakfast for 2 or 3 days in advance. So if you're struggling with time, that would be a great idea. The consistency that we're looking for. You can let it cool down. Obviously it's steaming, it's quite hot. You can enjoy this hot or cold. The longer you let it sit, the thicker it gets. But for the sake of the video, we will continue and pour everything in a nice bowl. So now the fun part is about to begin. You can go crazy, you can smash on whatever fruit you like or whatever vegetable you might like. As I said, I will go for berries, quite a lot, like this, and some apples, one of my favorite all-time go-to fruit. Then we have flax seeds and sunflower and pumpkin seeds. Dried fruits. In this case, it's, what is it, fig?
Mhm.
Dried figs. Or one fig actually. Raisins and dates would also go a long way. And just for the Instagram live, some lime wedges. So I just punched in all the amounts of this recipe in Chronometer. This is a website or an app which calculates how many nutrients are in there, how many calories, proteins, fats. I don't want to get too much into details here, but just this one meal provides 60% vitamin of your daily vitamin B1 intake, 50% of you can read it by yourself. Just stop the video and read it yourself. What actually is quite impressive is the magnesium content. It's ridiculously high, and also we're almost halfway through our daily calcium needs. We have in total 35 grams of fat, 1000 calories, 175 grams of carbohydrates, and look at this, we have almost 45 grams of protein. So everyone who still thinks there is no protein in plants, you are wrong, let me tell you that. And the numbers here, the reference values are for my weight, so I weigh around 80 kilograms. So if you weigh less than me, let's say 70 kilograms, and you're not even athletic, then this one meal is almost your daily requirements for protein. And as you can see here, the amino acid breakdown, it's not like plants are lacking in any essential amino acids. You can see every amino acid is present here. So yeah, take the protein myth and shove it up where the sun never shines. Yeah, so in total, to sum this up, if you're tired of having oatmeal, try some other grains. Try having quinoa for breakfast, try having amaranth for breakfast, or even maybe brown rice for breakfast, or even sweet potato as for breakfast. Maybe you will do a sweet potato recipe, because you like sweet potatoes. So you just have some variety, maybe try spelt flakes or soy flakes. Just have a huge variety, try different fruits, nuts, seeds, combine everything, enjoy it hot or cold with different textures, and you will be good. I hope you liked this video. I hope this was something new for you. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, if you subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so that you don't miss any new videos. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Welcome to a new video on our channel. Halt still. Welcome to a new recipe video today. Oh Baby!
Okay, jetzt ist gut.
Ich dachte, ich kann das.
Ich lache nicht.
Ah, fuck you.
Danke.
Welcome to a new recipe. Fick dich doch! Warum machst du mich aus? Soll ich was anderes sagen?
Nein, es
Welcome to a new recipe video. Okay? Sicher? Bla bla ta ta ta.